Oh, hi, this is Master Kim, and as you know, I'm a big believer in setting high goals and achieving those goals. Studies have found that when we write down our goals, we are 42% more likely to achieve our goals. So here's a project for you um, for our school. What you do is you can set a goal, one for your work, one for home or family, and one for mental improvement. So you set three goals, one for martial arts, one for home, and one for mental development. Or you can also set a goal for your work. And if you are a parent, you can sit down with your child and discuss with him for his goal for martial arts, goal for school, and goal for home. And I would like you to write it down on a piece of paper. You can write all three goals in one, or you can, have three pieces of paper with each goals. And maybe you can have your child draw some pictures that will represent their goal. Or I have seen some people make big poster board. That's called a vision board. They can put all of their goals there with the pictures and the drawings, etc. So I would like to do that and post it on your Facebook and tag me. And then we'll be able to post that also on our Facebook. And I would like to do this, guys. You get this done within the next couple of weeks. Now, when your child does this and post it on your Facebook, we will reward them with a special stripe. I have a Batman stripe, and I have a Hello Kitty stripe. You can choose whichever, and we'll put that on their belt, representing their commitment to achieving their goal. Thank you.